Welcome, today in front of me TOSCIDO M863, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's first open the settings application, and after that tap here on the sound section. Now we can see here the media, call, ringtone, and notification and alarm volume panels. We can change them just by swipe to the left or to the right side this dot with our finger. We can set here the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on or turn it off. We can set the schedule for the don't disturb mode. We can change the notifications settings here. We can also just activate call from just any contacts or SMS, also in don't disturb mode. Also we have here the shortcut to prevent ringing. We can turn it on or turn it off. Also we have here this device have two SIM slots, so we can just select two different ringtones for each of the SIM cards here. We can also change the notification sound, so just select one from the sounds here, then just click here to OK. So now we can hear it. And in other sound settings, we can see here the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sound, and touch sounds. We can turn on or turn off all of these options just by click on each of the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.